Brett here. We're going to use our freezers and water to make some cool sculptures inspired by art glass at the Milwaukee Art Museum. Let's get started.
Glass can be transparent or translucent.
Transparent means something is completely see-through. Translucent means some light gets through, but not all. Like sunglasses.
Dominic Labino used these special qualities of glass in this piece, Emergence. Translucent, colored glass forms are able to be seen through the larger, clear glass form that they are inside. You will need water, food coloring, plastic cups, assorted trays, and a freezer. Water, like glass, can be transparent or translucent. Water dyed with food coloring becomes translucent. I'm making the three primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. With these three primary colors, I'll be able to mix the secondary colors: purple, orange, and green. Glass is solid at room temperature, but becomes liquid when heated to a high enough temperature. Once it cools, it becomes solid again. Howard Ben Trey created cast form number 4 by casting glass, heating it, then pouring the liquid glass into a mold to give the glass its shape when cooled. Water is liquid at room temperature, but freezes solid when cooled to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Water will freeze into the form, or mold, it is poured into. Making ice cubes in an ice cube tray is a great example of this. Find watertight containers that have interesting shapes. Fill these with water, and then freeze them. Pouring red water into the yellow creates the secondary color orange. Blue into the red creates purple. Place your filled molds in the freezer or outdoors on a day when the temperature is below freezing. Place combinations of colored ice in a larger mold and fill with a shallow layer of water. Freeze this layer of water and repeat, alternating between translucent and transparent layers of water. Let the mold thaw before trying to remove it. You can warm it with your hands to help. Use water like you would glue to connect the remaining pieces of ice to your larger sculpture. You can arrange these in any way you like. Once they are stacked and holding steady, place them in the freezer or outdoors in below freezing temperatures to solidify them. Share your cool sculptures with us. We'd love to see them.